Hi guys, welcome back to Garage Tech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the MHEV technology. The new MHEV Plus system from Audi has a 48 volt electrical system which supports the combustion engine. This reduces CO2 emission and at the same time increases performance and driving comfort. The main task of the belt starter generator is to start the engine and supply electrical energy to the battery. The lithium-ion battery of vehicles with MHEV technology is based on lithium-ion phosphate chemistry, LFP, and has a storage capacity of 1.7 kilowatt hours. The power generator, PTG, generates an additional drive torque of up to 230 Newton meters and up to 18 kilowatts, that's 24 horsepower. The new powertrain generator, PTG, enables electric driving, relieves the combustion engine, and helps reduce fuel consumption. The 48 volt system also enables the use of an electrically driven air conditioning compressor. This offers the advantage that even when the engine is switched off, say coasting or at a red light, the air conditioning system continues to operate at full power and keeps the interior at a comfortable temperature. Purely electric movability and parking is also possible to a limited extent. When decelerating, the power generator TSG feeds up to 25 kilowatt of energy back into the battery. This is the recuperation. The new Audi Q5 SUV family is based on the premium platform combustion PPC, a platform architecture for conventionally ICE-powered vehicles with longitudinally installed combustion engines. All models in the Q5 series at market launch are equipped with highly efficient MHEV Plus technology. The PPC enables gradual electrification in the form of mild hybrids. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. As always, if you like these videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and catch you on the next one.